State Attorney General Drummond files a lawsuit against the federal government over millions of dollars in cuts because of Oklahoma's pro-life laws. Thanks for staying with us. I'm Craig Day.
And I'm Tatum Gwynn. The Department of Health and Human Services cuts come after Oklahoma's abortion ban and the state's refusal to provide patients with information on abortion. News on 6's Lex Rodriguez joins us with why the Attorney General thinks cutting the federal money is against the law. Lex.
Craig and Tatum, Oklahoma received Title X funding for more than 40 years. Attorney General Drummond argues that the Biden administration's actions infringe on the rights of the state.
The lawsuit filed by Attorney General Drummond says federal law explicitly states Title X funds cannot support programs where abortion serves as a method of family planning. He contends that Oklahoma is being penalized for its refusal to refer women for abortion. Although some health centers can still receive Title X funds independently of the state, organizations like Amplify Youth Health Collective says access would be limited.
When Title X is no longer happening for county health departments or other health departments, then some of those services are curtailed or they're not as accessible, especially in rural Oklahoma.
Executive Director Heather Duvall says her organization provides sex education to teens by partnering with Title X funded health centers, and the results have been productive over the years.
Since 2009, the teen birth rate has declined by 67%. These programs are working, and when we take any piece of healthcare access away, then we see that as a detriment.
Jim McCarthy is the CEO of Community Health Connection. He says because of Oklahoma's ban on abortion, some health centers feared even mentioning the option would be illegal.
Under the Title X federal law, which supersedes state law, we are obligated to provide the full slate of all the options if someone is trying to not become pregnant.
McCarthy says his clinic doesn't provide abortion services, but it does help its patients with the prevention of unintended pregnancy. He says with the state no longer receiving funding, he expects an increase in demand, which could put a strain on providers. In Tulsa, Lex Rodriguez, Oklahoma's Own News on 6.